Yun, so hello, nandito naman tayo sa ating bago nating problem sa hydrostatic principles. So this is the barometric pressure naman. This is a problem number 3. So solve natin to. Paano naman tong barometric pressure? So the problem says that the mountain lake has an average temperature of 10 degrees centigrade or Celsius and a maximum depth of 4 meters. The barometric pressure is 598 mm Hg or mercury, where determine the absolute pressure in Pascal at the deepest part of the lake. So, yun, the mountain lake has an average temperature of 10 degree and the maximum depth of 4 meters. So, hanapin natin yung absolute pressure at the 4 meter depth. Yun. So, solution, the pressure in the lake at any depth is given by this formula. 'Di ba? So ganyan yung magiging formula natin kasi 'di ba na ano natin na 'yan na alam niyo na dapat 'yan kasi sabi nga pa natin pag kunyari ganyan tapos ito tubig tapos tubig dito, 'di ba? At any depth, 'di ba? Pag same level lang, yung pressure dito is pare-parehas lang. Yung pressure. Pero pag iba na yung depth, nag-iiba na din yung kanyang pressure based on the depth. Kaya nga mayroon tayong dyan pressure is equal to gamma H. 'Di ba? Kasi yung magbabago dito, ito yung H. Pag palalim siya ng palalim, yung pressure mo tumataas. 'Di ba? Ganun yun yung ating magiging idea dito sa problem na sa pressure na ito. Okay, so ito yung problem. So, where P1, yung P1 natin is the pressure at the surface. Since we want the absolute pressure, P1 will be the local barometric pressure expressed in a consistent system of units. So, yung problema natin, yung P1 natin, that is the barometric pressure na. Kaya lang, we need to convert that kasi yung pressure natin is nasa, para pressure head siya. 'Di ba? Naka-pressure head siya yung natin, yung barometric pressure. Tapos mercury. So, kailangan muna natin i-convert itong 598. So, paano ba natin yan i-convert? So, this is height kasi yan eh. 'Di ba? From the formula kanina, P tapos gamma H. So, parang anong nangyari dyan, ito yan eh. P ito, So, ito na yon. This is height, barometric pressure. Kaya lang, na in terms siya sa pressure head. So, that's why we need to convert that one. Okay? So, yung HG natin is given tayo, or dapat alam na natin din to eh. 'Di ba? Alam na dapat natin din yan. So, 133 kN per cubic meter. So, P1, ito ang pupunta doon. So, convert natin into meter. So, 133 times your P1 is equal to 79.5. So, check nyo na lang. Baka nagkamali tayo sa I will check also here in my calculator. 0.95. 98 times 133. So, okay. 79.532. 534 I should say. Okay. So, yun yung ating P1. So, that is our value of our P1. So, yung hinahanap natin is the pressure or at the bottom. Okay? So, P1, meron na tayong P1, di ba? Check na to. Okay? Tapos, at yung H2O natin, is 9.81 supposedly that is the standard in 40 degrees centigrade, di ba? Yung 9.81 that is in a standard 40 degree or so dito at 10 degrees centigrade meron tayong 9.804 yung ating unit weight. Okay? So, given yan. Given din yan. Dito sa problem, hindi sinasabi dyan kasi sinabi na dito na 10 degrees centigrade. So, supposedly, dapat alam na natin yan. Nasa table din yan. May table tayo dyan. So, lipat natin itong 79.5, yung P1 natin, yung value ng P1. So, malilipat siya doon sa kabila, mag-add yung pressure. So, 9.81 or 9.804 times 40. 40 meters pala to siguro. Kaya, so 40 to, 40. Oo, 40 yan. So, kasi napaka-imposible naman 4 meters lang yung lalim ng lake, 'di ba? So 40 meters yan, sorry. So that is a typo error. So P2 lilipat siya itong 40, itong 79, ito na 'yon. So check natin 9.804 times 40 plus 79.5. Okay. So 472 or 471.66. So this is in absolute pressure na, no? So, nagkamali lang tayo dito sa 40. So, dapat 40 ata talaga to eh. Oo. Nakakaligtan. So, that is how we solve the problem in a barometric pressure. Pag given ka nito, baka anuhin mo ito, dibdibin mo to. Pressure head lang yan, Pressure head lang yan. Pressure, this is H. Okay, pressure head siya. Kaya lang yung HG natin, you need to tandaan itong value na ito para sa mercury. Okay? So, that is how we solve the problem. Kasi, paano ba naging barometric pressure yan? Kasi parang may gauge yan eh. May mercury. So, doon siya na-record this. So, 598 mm. So, this is how we solve this kind of problem. So, that's all for today. For this video. Thank you.